State ASIDA surgeon gi Awatpa LEIBA MARAMNA MEEYAM da surgery ga mari Leinaba ana layengi servicing Mapung Phana Phang-Hanba Ngamdabani HAINA Association of Surgeons of India ASI Manipur State Chapter gi Chairman Professor and SOMORJIT na PHONGDORAKLI Wafam asi ngasi Lamphel Pata Leiba Indian Medical Association IMA gi hall da pangthokpa Surgeons Day gi thauramda mahangna phongdokhibani Association of Surgeons of India ASI Manipur State Chapter na Indian Medical Association IMA Manipur branch ka khusamnaraga pangthokhiba thauram aduda Professor and Somorjit hai Khunai asida surgeon singna lauriba thaudang amade surgeon singi service asi Mapung Phana MEEYAM da phanghanabagi wakhalonda Association of Surgeons of India na warep ama lauduna June 15 asi Surgeons Day haina pangthokpani Thauram asigi manung channa tha asigi nipandagi taramari fauba Surgeons Week haina tongan ba thauram sing pangthokre week asigi manungda cyclothon free surgical consultation one surgeon one free survey initiative amade voluntary blood donation camp ka loinana surgeon singi oiba master health checkup amade surgeon singi marakta wakhal lawsing tathok tashin tawnabagi thauram singsu pangthokhe ngasigi thauram asida thabaktagi pothakraba amadi ahal oiraba surgeon singda achamba khudol tamduna makhoibu ikai khumnagani surgeon singna miyamda ana layengi service Mapung Phana Phang-Hanba hotnabada angamba thakta hotnari haina mahangna makhatana phungdokhe mahangna hai state asida surgeon gi Awatpa kaya leidi miyoi lakun henna leiba state asida haujik surgeon chani rom khak leidi surgeon gi Awatpa leiba asina maram oiraga miyamda surgery ga mari leinaba ana layengi service Mapung Phana piba ngamdabani state asida matik chaba surgeon masing yamna leiragadi ana layengi lamda chawkhatpa state ama oirakani marak asida haujik Jennings RIMS amadi CJ Academy of Health Sciences ta surgery gi PG mahiroi machine hengatna ba honari state asida surgeon sing yamna thoraklagadi surgeon sing aduna faculty ama oiraga makhatana surgeon kaya puthokpa ngamgani State asida matik chaba surgeon gi masing yamna leraklagadi miyamda ana layengi service Mapung Phana piba ngamgani hainasu mahangna makha takhi
mi asu lakun hena leiba sida akoina surgeon si akoi chamaga marpu chani mukta ngaiba sinadi akoigi surgery gi akoigi field sida akoina piba yaba akoi khutong chaba myam se akoi piba ngamjade maruina asigumasi watpa sina maru oidana akoigi facility akoigi ate district hospital singida tamna phagala iba singchi akoigi surgeon si masing yamna leiraba qualified oiba leiragadi soidana akoina government su mating pangdana yengbirakdana akhoi chakhatpa adugumba achoba hospital singchida anoba technology gi instrument sing thamaga surgery gi thabak sida hena chakhalakani hena afaba oirakani Manipur gi oina DNB na leire sigisi matam khargi matung dadi akhoi gi facility si NMC gi MCI gi matung ina adugi rule regulation dugi matung ina akoina heta henga pasu yadaba adugi matung ina akoina surgeon singji yamna thoragadi adugi duna faculty oina akoigi taknaba oja laik taknaba satra singi oina oragadi adugi mati akoigi surgeon singji hengalingai akoina surgeon ano puthokpada college adugi SIJA RIMS Jennings Awatpa kaimba ano college hangagasu akoina puthokjariba akoina leijariba si hengalingai sum galegi surgeon ja ano ba doubling idea adum hengalak bagi akoigi sigi khudong chaw se adum leikani
RIMS ki hanagi director Professor MG Bizoy IMA gi president Dr Simpson Sario ASIMSC gi chairman Professor N Somorjit amade ASIMSC gi secretary Dr Dhanavir Thangjamna mathangshitna chief guest of honor amade president member oina sarupyakhi Thauram adugi saruk ama oina Babina Group of Companies ki chairman cum managing director Dr Thangjam Dabali Karkinos Manipur Cancer Care and Research Institute ki Professor G.S. Moirangthem, SIJA Hospital and Research Institute ki Chairman cum Managing Director Dr. K.H. Balin amade RIMS ki Urology Department ki Hanagi HOD Professor S. Rajendrana, mathangshitna importance of recent diagnostic tool, regular health checkup and cancer screening, healthy life beyond medicine amade role of yoga exercise and meditation haibahiramda wangangki. Thauram aduda ahal oiraba lamdam asigi surgeon singda Association of Surgeons of India ASI Manipur State Chapter ge maikai dage khudol tamduna ikai khumnaba utkhi